Hi there, Toronto. Greetings from Vancouver Island. Why, thank you. I'd love some. Chocolate and cheese. Yes, please. We're very excited to be here with you tonight for your Reach Toronto Autism fundraiser.
Hi, I'm Teresa, Erik's mom, and here's a little bit about us. First, from 17-year-old Erik 2 years ago in Ottawa.
We write Autism magazine articles for a magazine called Autism Matters. Our purpose is to let people with autism be happy and successful in their lives. We also make autism videos. The videos are called A View from My Shoes. We also do Autism Talks, like this one, and talks in other cool places like Parliament Hill. Wow!
Hi again. And to continue our story, last year we created a TEDx talk video where I got to fly over the CN Tower. Now that was fun. So now we're here on Vancouver Island so that I can take some college employment transition courses and try some work placements. We came here to slow the pace of life and enjoy this place. It's beautiful, isn't it? And we're here tonight to share some of the lessons that we've learned on our autism journey. Now let's begin.
Lesson 1. Keep moving forward. You must never give up. The Japanese have a saying, continue is the power. And it means you must never give up. Here on the coast, the Aboriginal people have the very same belief. The frog symbolizes moving forward because a frog can never hop backwards. When you support a youth with autism, you must never ever give up. You must keep moving forward.
Lesson 2. It's up to me to define me. You are your own sculptor. Write your own script. Autism doesn't define you. Define yourself.
Lesson 3. Believe and guide. As parents, we are like inuksuks for our children. We show the way and we show belief in their journey. Our belief helps to build our sons and daughters' inner voice. And that inner voice then guides all thought and action.
If you believe in me, then I believe in me. And then I know that I can do it. Lesson 4. My diagnosis is not my prognosis. Just because I have autism doesn't mean that my future is written in stone.
Lesson 5. Everyone has their own life pace. As a parent of a youth with autism and someone who likes to go, I often feel like I'm a jet boat driver, and Erik is my water skier. Sometimes I pull Erik through the water way too quickly. And then I imagine him with ocean spray all over his face. I need to remember to check Erik's reactions as we try different activities and to slow the boat down if we need to.
That's more like speed for me. Lesson 6. The thought of something is usually worse than the actual thing.
Hey Erik, do you want to try paddleboarding?
Oh, I could never do that.
Sure you could.
Or could I?
I'm so proud of myself.
Lesson 7. Our life pathways are all different and unique. My life pathway is not Erik's life pathway.
My life pathway is not the same as my mom's. Each life pathway is different and unique. Lesson 8. I do not fail. Either I win or I learn.
Aww.
Yay! Success! See? We learn something every time we try. We just have to find a way to reframe the word fail.
Aww.
Yay! Success!
I picked up this rock on the beach last fall, and when I turned it over, I discovered it was a rare 70-million-year-old fossil. And of course, I thought of Erik and autism. And what if I had not believed in possibilities?
People with autism are so much more than just a label. Take the time to find out more about them. And to learn what they're passionate about. See the qualities that they have to offer and know what they have to contribute. Learn from them, appreciate them, and help them to go where they need to be. Cheers to you all in Toronto, and good night from the West Coast.